Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the connectivity in context with the Proc Chain Watcher widget that we've created. The Proc Chain Watcher utilizes the SAP Enterprise Widget Foundation in order to connect to the SAP system. The entire connectivity option set is under one preference group, that is the SAP system preference group, and we have the service provider and the different functions. Now we have basically three functions. We have one for the lookup. So when we actually click on the lookup, that's when the lookup function goes back and gives back a list of the process chains in the system that matches that search term. The other function is for the get log, and the other one is third and the last is for just reading the status of the process chain. So at every fixed interval, it's the widget that initiates the communication and just checks the status of the process chain that we are watching for. So in case we change the technical name of the function module in the system, or it's different in different systems, we can still change the function module name, or we could have one function module do all these three, and we could still use different parameters. So as long as we keep the same function module for that set of parameters and the same technical name over here, we have the flexibility to change between them. The service provider is defined in the enterprise foundation, or the widget foundation. Let's take a look at the widget foundation over here. This was released by SAP a few months ago, and it defines or it provides a set of services that we can use in order to connect to SAP systems. It gives us basically two major types of service providers. One is the JCOs, and the other one is the web services. So we can basically connect to an SAP system using JCOs, is Java connectors, or using web services, and we can either create identity settings, that is in terms of our username and password that we're going to use for each different system, or we could use a single sign-on as well. A good or an advantage of the enterprise foundation, or the widget foundation, is also that these configurations can be preset, just like our settings in the SAP logon pad. So these are all set up initially by the administrators and loaded as a part of the SAP logon GUI. So similarly, these configurations can be created by the admins and just loaded using an XML file, or automated using an installation script. So this is in terms of the connectivity options that Proc Chain Watcher uses. To actually take a look at Yahoo widgets and the background behind how the Proc Chain Watcher is created, we'll probably take a look at that in another video.